Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today we're gonna make rubber bracelets. We're gonna make two kinds, the bead one and the normal one. And make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I am new to making videos because I just started my new channel. I just started making videos. So first thing we're gonna do to make the bead one, we need one of these, one of the beads, and then we're going to have one rubber band like these, and then we're gonna put it in slowly so it doesn't get out again. Like it can, but yeah. So the second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a rubber band. Let's grab it from here. Right here. So the second thing we're gonna do is grab one of the beads on the rubber band, and then we're gonna put the one that we just put on top of it like this. And then we're gonna keep doing it. Like I'm gonna grab the same one that I just made. Maybe not the same one because it might get a little boring. So we're gonna do an orange one and then put it on top. You can do any color. I'm just doing it like different colors. And then you're gonna make sure that you can pull it from the bottom like this. And then you make sure that means you're doing really good on it. Like you're doing good on it. Like you're not doing bad. And then you're gonna put that one on top, and this is how it looks. It looks very good now. Better than like the starting. Then we're gonna grab another one. And keep doing it until we get to the point that we're done. Make sure to pull the bottom. And do make sure to like the video and support me on my channel because I am really excited to get one subscriber. You're gonna make enough. You don't want to make too much or it'll get really big and you can't wear it that much. I'm gonna grab all of them out so I can just do it all now. Now I don't have to move my hand and keep doing it. You want to stay really like you want to watch it, like you want to watch the video carefully just in case you mess up, and when you mess up you always have to start again. Well, sometimes you can fix the problem, but sometimes you can't, so hope you pay attention to what I'm saying. And I forgot to mention that how much you first make these, you want to make sure that you have enough of them. Like I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I just need a little bit more. We're gonna make sure to count it on the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we need a little bit more. So I have to make a little bit more. That one's fine. I'm gonna make a little bit more. So you're gonna watch a little bit carefully, okay? Watch a little bit carefully there. So I can even show you another trick what to do. Like you can first put on the bead and then put the band and then you're gonna squeeze it in there like this. And it's just more easier for me. And we're gonna keep doing that until I have at least 18. And we grab more beads. Oh, wrong way. It does fall out sometimes. It's sometimes really hard. Do it here. There we go. Got it. Now this is probably the last one I'm gonna do because I think I counted them wrong. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I do have 15, so I just need 3. So I'm gonna keep making them again. Think I'm gonna add one more and that's it. You can add like, oh, that is one fine. You can add like accessories and more stuff. Yeah, you can. Like, I'm gonna add some cherries. And yeah, let me show you them. This one. Not this one. The pink one. I'm gonna add the pink one in because I think it's the most likely one I have. And then I'm gonna put it in slowly. I think I'm gonna do the same trick as I did to the beads. No, it doesn't work. I'm gonna slowly put them in. And get the right point and then shove it in there. There you go. So now I'm gonna just put it a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing and put it on. This is gonna be my last one, and then I'm gonna put, where did it go? Oh, right here. And then I'm just gonna fold it like this and put that one on top of there. And then you can maybe, I don't know. But then the next thing I'm gonna do is grab a clip and then clip it on like this. And then you added one accessory like me. And you can even add one of these if you want. Oh no. So, and then we're gonna put this one on. you're gonna make sure that it's locked from here. If it's not like if it's out, like I had once, and like I had one like that, and it just fell out, and then I had to do it again. So you're gonna make sure it's locked if you're gonna do that. And this is how the end result looks, and this is what we want to do. And you can even use this, and if you have a tool like me, like you can use this, but I didn't use this because I thought it was just too hard to do in here. So that's it for the video. But I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!